Now, just about 5 minutes from now, we do expect to lose signal from Orion as it travels behind the moon. That loss of signal will last for 34 minutes. However, once Orion emerges from the backside of the moon and regains communications on the deep space network, we do expect to regain communications with the vehicle. Information of an acquisition of signal on the deep space network in Goldstone. This view on your screen of planet Earth taken from Orion's Solar Array Wing Camera or SAW camera.